First, the top news headlines. Manipur celebrates Christmas with joyous fervor. MLA S. Rajan dedicates Khundi Khul Community Hall to residents. And opposition questions NRC NPR link despite Modi Shah assurance BJP hits back. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. The 75th Merry Christmas 2019 is being celebrated by Rongdai Baptist Church RBC at the Christmas Hall of RBC Church Complex, None Longmai District. More than 1,000 worshippers attended the morning devotion and the gave offering to the newborn King. Gospel, sermon, song presentation, and reading Bible scriptures were the main highlights of the morning devotion. Talking to TOMTV, RBC Christmas Speaker Associate Professor Dr. Jamin Dangwi conveyed Christmas greetings and wished everyone for a prosperous and joyous life.
Maramaduna Isamak as a speaker on behalf of the members of Rongdai Baptist Church, Nasu Nuaiba of the Pijari, Ipum Karimakta, Christmas ki ing tatap taba, Jai Baba, Ipum Karimakta, they just know Hana is order Tony Jari.
Disciple-making movement Church Herangoitong Maibam Lekai celebrated Christmas 2019 at the residence of its pastor KH Manikomba located at Herangoitong Maibam Lekai, Imphal. Prayer, sermons, gospel songs and other activities were the main highlights of the celebration. Talking at the event, Pastor KH Manikomba mentioned about the central idea of celebrating Christmas and conveyed masses on Jesus preaching to the attendees.
Prabhu Jisu Kristana taibung pan bada lakpi khiba asida aihang na aikogi community asida haijaningba adudi Jisu Krista se aikogi kanbiba mapuni pangbibani loina bibani ingthaba pibibani asa laitrabada asa pibibani lambi laitrabada lambi pibibani adugi maramna aikogi maitaigi community asi khakta nataduna entire world lairiba mi khudingmakna Krista se Tinabiu, Marup Sanabiu, Krista Gitung Inbam, Oiraga, Tangdu Laitaba, Imungama, Tangdu Laitaba Punsi, Tangdu Laitaba, Samazamo Iminasi, Hibas Ainamam the Hizer.
Konthausam Baptist Church, Bishnupur celebrated 72nd Christmas with joyous fervor at the church premises. Konthausam constituency MLA, who is also the chairman of tourism department, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, and church pastor son attended the event as main guests. Cake cutting, sermons and cultural dances and music were the main highlights of the celebration today. Victory Church Imphal VCI Kongpal Kongkham Lekai celebrated Christmas at Aryan Theatre, Wahing Lekai today. Christians from different parts of the state joined the celebration and sought blessings from Christ for prosperity, harmony and blessed life for the downtrodden people. Lamsang constituency MLA S. Rajan today inaugurated a community hall at Khundi village of Lamdeng Kuno under Lamsang in Imphal. The community hall was constructed under the MLA Local Area Development Fund. Speaking at the event, S. Rajan said that the community hall was handed over to the residents on Christmas Day and amidst creation of festive mood and New Year. Rajan also urged for peaceful coexistence among different groups despite religious diversity. The MLA also gifted a water purifier to the residents of Khundi village at the event. Iroisemba Bridge to road leading to Lamding will be blocked off in January next year.
Chilina koi punamak ai koi jati tongan jaragasu kanglup tongan jaragasu mioi ba hai ba jati dudi ai koi amattani hai ba gi wakalon dune na pusan jarikliba aduna ai gi tongan ba ai gi jati gi tongan ba dharma khena ba wakalon khena ba lairagasu matam chuppada ai koi thadokna dana lamdam si chapna ba hona bada ai koi punamaki apunbagi unity do madu darkar lai madu unity thamji hai badune yang thamjariba.
A day after Home Minister Amit Shah agreed with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's assertion that there has been no discussion in earlier the Parliament or the Cabinet about upon India National Register of Citizens, the opposition continued to corner the government over the link between National Population Register and NRC. The centre yesterday approved updation of NPR with 6 to create a comprehensive identity database of every usual resident of the country, triggering murmurs that it was the first step towards NRC. The Union Cabinet approved funds to the tune of over rupees 3,941.35 crore, according to media reports, for updating the National Population Register. The NPR exercise is to commence from April next year. The NPR is a list of usual residents of the country. MBC Center Church Imphal celebrated Christmas at Chingmairong today. Many devotees gather for the prayer and engage themselves in merry-making and exchange gifts. During the celebration, pastor of MBC Center Church Imphal, Reverend Jokomang Daime, prayed to Lord Jesus and wished for peace, prosperity and unity for the people of the state on the auspicious occasion.
So Krishna pokpasi ekhoisi sumaina classification legetabana de Krishna Jisu gi mingdi khoisi amatani waina neither slave nor master jingtam tami ina khumba lairaba low class krisu khaidana khoi hingminagadabani nungsi chana ekhoi leminagadabani kokpibaga leigadabani haibagi message muru oibasi prausuna pokpasi.
Mori Battalion 43 Assam Rifles celebrated Christmas 2019 with inmates of Genova Jury Children Home Mori. The home, popularly known as JJ, is a privately run home providing shelter to around 30 orphans from border town Mori. On the joyous occasion, personnel of Mori Battalion Assam Rifles spent the day with the children and presented them with gifts and eatable items. And Assam Rifles musical band also entertained the kids with music. And now let's have a short commercial break. After that, Battle Free School organizes Healthy Baby Show Competition 2019. More after the break.
Yang wade.
Sokthaba lodi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba koknaba rebalance. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy. Rebalance. Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asengba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong tea asibu mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique ya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhiras Valley Strong City. City asi gram chama chani yangkai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobinabagi damak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City. Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawaso Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available: digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517236.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lauzare. Christmas ke oiba kadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitayananda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Laurembam Enterprises Makhal Kayagi furniture items Pangbiragani Maruina sofa set, office table amadi chair set, wedding set asinachingmani. Furniture item Malaybada Chada Taramangadagi Kun Fauba discount Pijari. Loinana Christmas amadi New Year Gidamak Akanabo offer soup Pijari. Mattress Pambiba Singna Slipwell Moyang Komdagi Lobi Biagani. Akupamorol Gidamak Lengsin Biro Laurembam Enterprises Kanchipur opposite Manipur University. Akogi contact number 97741 32867 Natraga 8787675251. Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampat Kaisamlaikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Lagliba December Kunipan Thangja Numita Private Sports Academy na Sinduna Football Sanari Singi Selection Test Pangthok Charagani. Ayuk pung tere taba matamda Loktak Project Football Ground da Pangthok Chagadoriba Selection Test asida Saruk Yabiningba Nupa Amadi Nupi Sanari Singna Isagi Aadhaar Card Natraga Birth Certificate Amadi Passport Size Photo Ani Pubiraktuna Yaubidawi Yagani. Selection Test asi under 12 years, under 14 years, under 16 years Amadi above 18 years Haina Tongan Tongan ba category da Pangthok Chagani. Chahitara Nipan Mathaki category gi oina khallaba sanori singda thagi lupa lising manga dagi kuntra fawa pigani. Akopa moral gi dama contact tobiu Private Sports Academy Guwahati. Contact number 93830-98641 natraga 8730927492 natraga 6009368876 ta contact tobiu.
Welcome back. In connection with Christmas festival, Petal Preschool Singjamei Chingamaka Imphal today organized a Healthy Baby Show competition 2019 at the school premises. The competition was held for the age group of 6 months to 5 years. Talking at the event, Director of Petal Preschool HARIPRIYA Sajjana Devi said the competition aims at encouraging healthy babies.
Nojikti angang jina tungi yumbiro ni future je moina keno torokadoi moigi future je bright oina bai damakta akoi na lairingai si da haitare ko karamba level bok mateng pangba yabage haibado adune akoi ngasi uchari se aina mateng pangning ba haitare as a society gi damakta su dagi akoi lairiba akoi gi lamdam sigi damakta su angang sing sigi damakta interest hapna nabagi ko adu tokjaba program.
Moral Education Center, Iroisemba today organized its 28th Annual Prize Distribution Day at the Agriculture University Cow Auditorium. Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur Y. Joy Kumar, retired Additional Director of Manipur Commerce and Industries M. Rajan Singh and Assistant Professor of Manipur University S. Yaifabamaite attended the function. Around 100 meritorious students of class 3 to 10 of the center were presented with simple gift during the program. Inat Lining Punsina Balup launched Solar Calendar 2020 title Maliyafam Palcha Thapalon at Hayingkongbal, Ufong Yumpam, located at 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion campus today. The calendar launch program was attended by Vice President of Lining Thosanami Temple Board, Bidyabati Senjam, Secretary of Kakhal, Yangoi Piva, Executive Member of Lining Thosanami Temple, Mangangcha Kaisam Ibomcha, and International State Academy awardee Dr. Oinam Chauba. Editor of the calendar, Kaisam Lokeshwar, said that today's calendar is based on months, which has 354 days, rather than calendars based on days, which has 365 days. Lokeshwar set a date in order to make up the 11 days difference. The solar calendar was launched.
करोगे कोई थादा पानबसिगा निमित्त पानबसिगा खोंचत असे असि यानदो मरम असिना एकोइना ngसागी मसि मणिपुरदा चनरब होनबनि लम खुजिमता पृथ्वीगी लम खुजिमता 195 कंट्रीज दा सोलर ईयर से चनबरे अदुगा अखोइ मणिपुरना मैतैना करिगि दो थाबान ngaudro leidoino हाइबसे मसिनि आइन मयाम थमनिं
United Kaching Students Unicast Delhi strongly condemned the police brutality meted out to students at various educational institutions, including Jamia Millia Islamia, Aligarh Muslim University. In a press release, Unicast also strongly opposed the government's perpetual move to ban internet and telecom services to gauge the voice of the people. It further termed the celebration of ILP implementation in Manipur by a few sections of the people as untimely.
Terrible Konging Asi, Makani Tuna, Penny Imbe, Mana, Mena, India, terrible Hongset, Asina, secular identity, the Barretory Happy Concert, no research a terrible conception, equity, linguistic, identity, Emily, ethnic culture, monkey, get a Habagi Concert. Asida Queen of Kudamoni Imbe, Tripurada, Tripurishina minority, or Kiba, Aduka, Asangi Barak. Barak Beda or Asigum Atopa Noriski, stretching the oracle Hibagi, jingling pioneering him or Asida, Asi, implement or Potaragadi, equally lazy by ethnic culture, Amadi, linguistic identity, the monkey Gadra Hibagi Jingdom lady.
A one-day fire and safety awareness program was jointly conducted by Kangla Food Products and Manipur Fire Service at the premises of Kangla Food Products located at Nambol. Employees of Kangla Food Products were sensitized on fire and safety during the program. Divisional Officer of Manipur Fire Service Department L. Nabachandra Singh, Manipur Fire Service Sub-Officer W. Rana and General Manager Kangla Food Products L. Roman attended the program as main guests. Talking to media on the sidelines of the program, L. Nabachandra stressed on the primary objective of the event, saying the awareness program would help employees and factories in the state in handling fire mishaps. He praised Kangla Food Products for organizing such programs and underlined on the need of prioritizing safety measures. As a part of the program, fire drill and demonstration on handling a fire situation were displayed to the participants.
Nabu Masina, a tung the Torkadawa, fire incident, Mayuk Nabangam Ganiana Lowy, Aduga Masumana, Tongan Bab, and Pudaleba, factory industry, Mayam Sisu, Matamatam Gioba, fire awareness, Nadaga fire evacuation, Jinnating Base, Pangtogadi, Akoi Manipuda Toiba, Kudung Tiba, Kayadagi, percentage, Handan Mangam Nianai, Aduki Pandam, Daniakoinasi, Pamjida fire.
The Ima Market in Jiribam district of Manipur is the major shopping center not only for Jiribam residents but also for people in Tamenglong, Ferjol and Churachandpur district. It is also the largest marketplace in Jiribam bordering Assam. However, at present, customers have to face the hit of skyrocketed prices of commodities sold in the market. According to our correspondent, the rates are fixed by the vendors at their own volition and that the concerned authority has failed to look into the matter so far. Because of the situation, the market has started to lose many of its customers day by day.
India ki chanamga moregi chanamga janarga jiri de jole aphina India ki anam batam chinari ko ado mafam da 155 60 up down lai apoi sidi sida 70 go lai apoi 180 wholesale lai choina 200 joli maram di sigi chanam sidi west dam lai what pudi ma ki west lai adagi parakoi ba what kg ki masinga sidi sida poina pangun ba masinga janna kene dum handana pangi apoi
Now let's have another short commercial break. Coming up next, 26th Manipuri short story reading and writers meet begins in Assam's Kasa district. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Kanghanjaba Thasigi Kunipanda Uripok Kangchuk Road Auto Mega Diesel Association Ukram Daling Khatkibagi Tarahumdoirok Suba Foundation Degi Thoram Pangthok Jargani Masiga Mari Lenana Association Asina Service Tauriba Tauthong Tharoijam Lairen Kabi Sanjenbam Tera Urak Kadangban Kharam Baitel Mayang Langjing Fumlau Mana Inkol Laingam Khul Akham Kwaksify Lamsang Lairen Sajik Amadi Kautruk ki oina numit asida gari vara lauduna miyam gi seva tawjaragani maram aduna association asigi driver singna numit asida miyam gi seva mapung fana tawbang amnaba corporation PBU haina ningsingjari khanghan jariba salaingamba laishram Secretary General Ukramda
Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Dodasan Kendra Imphal recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School Porompat opposite Dodasan Kendra Imphal.
Pakhong ama chalake
chalune
chahi amagi plan tawge haradi
phau pambi thabiyo
chahi taragi plan tawge haradi
u pambi thabiyo
chahi chamagi plan di
ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo
icha kaina afaba school haidi
lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changnai coaching tohonba
mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba
gym aerobic dance football thangta
mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba
khwaidigi chawba nanba khwaidigi phaba school Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
chumme yam khangi ko
yes only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangjam Khuro, Imphal East Pangai Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET eligibility for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 passed and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oidre. Subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba VAT lock HARIPRIYA vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantri Pukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open. Timing 7 AM to 4 PM.
Welcome back. A two-day-long 26 Manipuri short story and writers' meet began today at Iputau, Thongang Lampak of Lakhipur subdivision in Kasar district of Assam. The event is organized by Manipur Short Story Society India. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, President of Manipuri Short Story Society India, Ingudam Binod, and Councillor of Lakhipur, Jila Parisad, K. Anita Devi, were present at the opening event. Speaking on the occasion, K. Sarat Kumar Singh underlined on the need to bring the Meitei community under one roof and expressed his pleasure for getting a chance to attend the event. At the occasion, a book series titled Liklam and two other poetry books were also released in the presence of several authors from Kasar, Jiribam, Hojai, Tripura, Guwahati, Mizoram, and other places. On the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Atal Bhujal scheme, which was approved by the Union Cabinet on yesterday for better management of groundwater in the 7 states. The World Bank funded scheme focuses on the need to use technology which helps prevent wastage of water in various spaces, including agriculture. To mark the 95th birthday of Vajpayee, the Prime Minister also named Himachal Pradesh Rohtang Passageway as Atal Tunnel. Prime Minister Modi unveiled statue of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in Lucknow and also laid the foundation stone for Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical University in the city. Asserting that only 3 crore out of 18 crore rural households have clean pipe water today, Prime Minister Modi urged startup companies to come up with technology to ensure minimal use of water for various needs. He said the plan is to provide the remaining 15 crore rural households with pipe water in the 5 next years. Modi also urged farmers to switch over to crops that use less water and asked people not to waste the precious natural resource. And now let's move on to sports news. A week-long 8 Lilong Sports Meet organized by Lilong Sports Association has begun today at Lilong Public Ground, Lilong Karampat, Thoubal. Deputy Secretary Youth Affairs and Sports and Agriculture Mohammad Firoz Khan, Lilong SDO Mohammad Jior Rahman, Under Secretary Water Resource Government of Manipur Mohammad Ismat Khan, Deputy General Manager Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, Noni Division Mohammad Rizayuddin Khan, Manager MSPDCL, Lilong Subdivision Mohammad Hedayatullah, Commander 6 Assam Rifles Lilong, Major Saidalabi, Officer in charge Lilong Police Station Oinam Ajit, Working President LSA Muhammad Islaluddin Sa and Senior Vice President LSA Muhammad Atwal Haq attended the opening meet. General Secretary LSA Muhammad Ayub Ali Alai Sanatomba said the Sports Week is organized with the main aim to keep the youths away from drugs. He also thanked the Lilong Sports Association for its activities. In connection with the coming Karate Championship 2024 Northeast region beginning from January next in Guwahati, a 5-day-long residential karate coaching camp has kicked off from today at Ima Kongdong Lairembi Haraubong in Mori. The coaching camp is organized by Saishankai Sito Rayo Karate Do, Manipur. Altogether, 50 girls and boys from Mori and other parts of the state are taking part in the training to be conducted under Sensei Riyakat Ali of Karate Association of India and other coaches. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipur celebrates Christmas with joyous fervor. MLA S. Rajan dedicates Kundi Khul Community Hall to residents. And opposition questions NRC NPR link despite Modi Shah assurance BJP hits back. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us. Keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and wish you all a very merry happy Christmas. Good night.